Part of our hood, little island connected to the community, super private, nobody around. We're gonna try to put this thing up in the air and not crash it. We're out here where we live on John's Island. Perfect little spot to try to make this thing happen. I have only been in a simulator, practiced on that. I've yet to actually fly it in the real world. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of interesting. Definitely something I'm not used to from all of the things that I've been experiencing just in the simulator alone. Yeah, let's give this thing a whirl. Listen to this thing. Whoa. Sounds like aliens are coming. Remote controller stick error. I'm already having technical difficulties. Why? A little bit shaky, but pretty incredible. Whew. Bugs are already bad out here. It's not even summertime yet. I'm an idiot for doing this over water, by the way. That was it. I'm going to land this bad boy. No crashes. That was just a little, very careful first go at the new DJI FPV.